there, welcome to MX24's Event Guide, your sure plug to events happening in and around the city. My name is Afi Nuna and I'm your special event curator. Now, if you want your event amplified on this platform, all you have to do is send us a WhatsApp on number 059-888-9441, 059-888-9441. Do well to visit mx24.event for tickets, for updates on events happening around you, and for anything event at all. You can also apply for your events to be amplified through the website. Do well to visit all our social media platforms at MX24 Event Guide and get updated, of course. Today we are talking August in August. August in August. And I am in studio with the beautiful Susan August. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. Yourself?
I'm good. It's a pleasure to be seated by someone so pretty. Okay, now August in August, what's it about?
Okay, so everyone knows my name is Susan August with a double T. And August in August is a play on my name, basically, but the real essence of it is I've been performing for about 10 years now, live music with my band, my 10-piece band, and I realized that every time I'd go for a show, it's like one female and then like 10 men on the bill, right?
Yeah.
And so I created this space, August in August, which is an annual concert, to basically highlight the women on stage, the women owning the stage. So this is an all-women lineup event where you get to experience them with the lights, the cameras, everything, but highlighting them doing live music as well. Yes.
Women supporting women. Women empowerment.
Yes.
Power to the women. That is beautiful. So when is it happening? Where is it happening?
Okay, so it's happening on the 8th of August, 8/8/2026.
Oh,
and it's at,
I see what you did
yep,
there.
and it's at Alliance Française, and we start on time, 6 p.m.
No Ghana
sharp,
man
no
time.
Ghana man time. We start on time, yes.
8th August, 6 p.m. Alliance Française. Can you give us a list of people who are going to be on bill that day?
Okay, so we have the beautiful Abiana, we have Adoma, we have Fale, we have Mame, and then we also have August band. So that is an all-girls band. And then, I forgot, we have Dakon as well.
Hey.
But the all-girls band, they're from Accra Girls, and they are an amazing group.
Are they still in school?
They're in school. They're in school, so they're going to open up the show and serenade people.
Oh, I like that you gave the opportunity to these young ones to be able to.
My dream was to have an all-female band, and I've seen that there are a lot of instrumentalists coming up now, female instrumentalists, and so I feel like starting with that is also a good thing, to see them also practicing and then creating a band together, beautiful.
Thank you so much on behalf of the children. Thank you. On behalf of the younger ones, thank you. Before they tell me they are not children. Now, I would like you to take a look at this video. I'll be back. Are you ready for August in August? One more time, are you ready? Girls, we run this mother. Girls, we run this mother. Girls, we run this mother. We wanna party. One time. We wanna Thank you very much. You see, all the information you need was in that video, all to expect was in that video. And we are still talking August in August with Susan August. And this is happening at Alliance Française on the 8th of August 2026. 8/8/26. Now, tickets. How much are tickets going for, and where can we get tickets?
Okay, we want it to be very accessible, so it's 160 cedis for a single, and then 300 cedis for a double. And you can get tickets on V-Tickets, and there's also a short code.
I will take the short code for her. That's star 714 star 11 star 31 hash. Star 714 star 11 star 31 hash. That, should I take it again? I think you didn't get it. Let me take it again. Star 714 star 11 star 33 hash. And that gives you access to the tickets. Don't forget, you can also visit MX24.event, and obviously you get tickets from there. Now, like I said, MX24.event for tickets to August in August and any other event happening around you. If you want your event amplified on our platforms too, do well to send us a WhatsApp message on number 059-888-9441. 059-888-9441. Visit all our social media platforms for updates as well. That's MX24 Events Guide. My name is Afinuna, and I'll see you at your next event.